Hi, everyone. I mentioned that most of you probably don't have a canister of tennis balls sitting around at home. So I would measure for you so that you can see if you were right or not. So before you watch the rest of this video, make sure you have gone to the question and made your prediction. Which will be a larger amount? The height of this tennis ball can or the distance around it? You have to make that decision in Google Classroom. Click on the question, answer the question before you watch the rest of this video. Okay, so if you're still watching, that means you've already voted, you already know your answer, and you're waiting to see what we come up with. All right, so I happen to have a measuring tape here that is flexible enough to go around our can. So I am going to measure all the way around, and I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use, I don't know if I want to use centimeters or inches. So let me look at this and see, and then I'll show you where I'm at once, because I know you can't see me on the camera at the moment. I go from there. Okay, so let's see if I can adjust my camera a little bit for you so that you can see. Here's our tennis balls. I have measured this, and my measuring tape was a little messed up, so I kind of had to start at the 1 inch line. So that means this is 9 inches and a quarter. So 9 1/4 inches going around. That number might be a little bit bigger than you were thinking it was. So that's 9 1/4. So now if I measure going up and down, well, I'm going to lay it down here so I can see a little better. This is only about, let's start here, 8 1/2 inches tall. So according to these measurements, the distance around this can was actually bigger than the height of the can. So when you answer the last part of the question, the second question, I want you to tell me why you think that might be. If you have any theories, tell me if you were right or wrong. Were you surprised by that answer? There's not really a right or wrong answer for your response. Think of it kind of like a journal response. You're just going to tell me if you got it right or not, and if you were surprised by that. Okay? So that's our tennis ball measuring activity.